If you just got your AirPods 4, but the noise cancellation doesn't feel strong or your ears are hurting from long time usage, chances are that you are not wearing them correctly. Apple designed the AirPods 4 to not only give you powerful noise cancellation, but also to feel super light and comfortable in your ears, even for long listening sessions. In this video, I'll show you how to wear your AirPods 4 correctly so you get the best ANC and that signature barely there comfort. Let's get into it. Step 1. Choose the right ear tip size. AirPods 4 come with multiple ear tip sizes. Comfort starts here. A good fit should feel secure but not tight, and you shouldn't feel any pressure. To find your perfect fit, go to settings of your iPhone, then tap Bluetooth. Tap the eye icon next to your AirPods. Now scroll down a bit and tap on ear tip fit test. Tap continue. Then use the ear tip fit test to make sure you're getting a good seal. If the seal is good, your AirPod will show that to you. If not, then it will show a negative response. The right size gives you both better noise cancellation and comfortable all-day fit. Step 2. Insert them the right way. Don't push them in. Instead, gently insert the AirPod and give it a tiny forward twist so it sits naturally along your ear shape. When done right, it should feel secure, stable, and like you kind of forget they're even there. So, if you follow these steps right, you should be able to enjoy your AirPod 4 ANC with maximum comfort. Hope this video helps you out, and be sure to give it a like if it did. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your super comfy listening time.